positive energy and how we can control our negative thoughts. Yeah.
I have heard about one meditation technique that is practiced in Tibet, which is Gyuto meditation, something of breathing, Gyuto. Could you say something about that?
Okay.
There's a breathing.
So I will try to touch some point. I think right now you have heard about the mindfulness, no?
Yeah.
Mindfulness meditation. Maybe I might be jumping out of the topic because of the mindfulness meditation. I really admire the meditation and the mindfulness, but one small thing is that how they present the mindfulness meditation in order to the meditation. So that's but the process is a little bit long because I have to go through the water, the test. And I'm not so sure, are you aware of the IRB? It's called the Institutional Review Board. Because any of whatever the meditation, once I bring through. Now come back to the point about the breathing meditation. You have heard about the Anapana, no? Breathing meditation, that is the basic level, so normally. Then a little bit more advanced in that meditation, what we teach is that when you inhale the breath, you should be aware that you are inhaling the breath. When you exhale the breath, you should be. It's a very important stage that, let me tell you the one very simple thing. If you feel sad, he told me that if he married his fiancée, he will be more happy. Then I told him that you are thinking very wrong. You should not think that way. You should think if you marry her, she will be more happy. So that's sometimes when you say that you love someone, but deep down you are attached to yourself. So that's why this meditation and the breathing meditation, if you love someone, think that you are taking the suffering of that person, giving your own happiness to that person. They love everyone. They don't have anyone. So then I used to tell these people, think about the election. And then you will find someone. so that's the thing. So that is the third level of the breathing meditation. And in the holding the breath, it means that it is the technique that you learn how to control your energy, feel the energy. So that you hold the breath. Moments when you cannot hold the breath, release the breath out of the mouth. So inhale, hold the breath in your belly, and the moments when you cannot hold the breath, release the breath out of the mouth. So this comes in the Vajrayana of the Tantras label that how your breathing meditation technique. And this is the brief introduction. So yes.
I have this question. So it is so cold out there that I wonder how all the monks there, they're wearing simple, no warm clothes, and the temperature is in minus, and we being, I was like, we were all shivering and all. So I asked this question to Rinpoche there, how do you breathe in that moment? He said, I'll answer you later, but then eventually we had to move on.
Okay. So when you shivering, try the salty, okay? That is the one thing. The diet, it's also help that. And the number one. Number two is that I think slowly we'll get used to it. In this monastery, as I mentioned, it's very strict rules. And as you've seen in the Bundera, in this monastery, all the monks, they are not allowed to cover their right arm. Even the weather goes the minus, they are not allowed to cover the right arm. So this is that's used to, that is the second reason. Now if you look from the Tantra point of view, have you ever heard the meditation called the inner heat meditation? Inner heat meditation. Inner heat meditation is there is a Tantrayana, there is such a your body. That's called the inner heat meditation. There are a few simple techniques. So if you do that, I think you can see the result within a week. So that you can generate the heats inside of your body. Because that in the Tibet, in the very high Himalayan mountains, the meditators sometimes they have to survive because they have to meditate at a very high altitude to meditate. So that's why they do this the inner heat meditation. So inner heat meditation. That is the third thing. Now the very simple way, easiest way, drink the salty milk. Wine is the best. The Indian guy told, no. The Indian, the have you heard about the 3x rum?
Yeah.
Have you heard about it?
Yeah.
But please don't misunderstand me, I don't do it. So 3x rum is the best. So then they tried to do some experiment. What they did is they catch the 3 mouse. 2 mouse and then the French guy gave the first mouse to the French wine. Then after taking a few sips of the French wine, then the mouse tried to walk back to its place, but it could not walk. Only after taking a few steps, it collapsed. Then the French guy told, look, how's the French wine? Even the mouse cannot walk after taking a few sips. Then it's turned to the Russian guy. The Russian guy. So that is the thing. Now you have observed the whiskey. So one thing is in the monastery, the monks are not allowed to drink the whiskey at all. This is the monks' the rule and the Varsic about it. Now you saw the whiskey in the.
Wondering whether you read Hindi or not.
Yeah, I can read. Yeah. Sorry. Okay, so maybe this I will have to.
In August we have on Krishna.
Oh.
So this way all the saints are covered, all the mystics are covered.
Okay, thank you so
Yeah.
much. Thank you so much.